Hi, this is a Cootie catcher. It's a little game I used to play when I was a kid, and I thought it would be kind of fun to make for Lunar New Year, the Chinese New Year. And so I've put, instead of colors and numbers, I've used the Chinese zodiac, and it's a piece of origami. It's all pre-folded for you, so I'm not going to show you how to make one. There are plenty of videos online that show you that. I'm going to show you how to use it, which is very simple. We put our fingers in the pockets, and there are 4 animals. Choose one. I picked the monkey because I was born in the year of the monkey. And we go M-O-N-K-E-Y. And inside there are 4 animals, and we'll pick one. I picked the dog, D-O-G, which gives us another 4. And I'll pick the rabbit, since it's the year of the rabbit. R-O-R. You have to know how to spell too. R-A-B-B-I-T. Again, we've got 4 animals, and I think I'll pick the rat. And underneath the rat, there's a flap you lift up. And we have a lucky shamrock, which tells us we're going to have lots of good fortune in 2023. Thanks for watching.